welcome to Nidra Vlog Diaries. In this video we are going to see a DIY beauty care recipe of amazing Ayurvedic face oil recipe. This amazing oil is used by my ancestors for generations and generations, and currently we are also using that. This oil provides a top solution for all our skin issues. Dark circles, pigmentations, wrinkles, fine lines, pimples. Everything can be cured by this amazing Ayurvedic face oil. And yes, each Ayurvedic herbal ingredient used in the making of this oil can able to lighten our skin tones and gives a brightness and glowing skin and even skin tone. This is an assured result of which we are using. And yes, finally the name of the oil is Ayurvedic Kumkumadi face oil. And this oil can be used as a night serum which you can apply at night and wash in the morning. And this oil is an amazing winter care recipe for a dry skin, but make ensure that you give at least a mild massage after applying the oil, because just applying by oil and leave it for 15 minutes, I am not sure that it will give you an amazing result. So let's go into the making of this oil.
Now we have taken a handful of vetiver root, that is a cuss root. This cuss root helps in brightening the skin and makes to disappear the discoloration, wrinkles and fine lines. This vetiver root got a fine aromatic smell. So what we are doing is, this handful of vetiver root we are soaking in 2 cups of water for 4 hours. Dashamula powder 4 tablespoons. This Dashamula powder is made up of 10 mixed herbs. This herbs helps in disappearing dark spots, wrinkles and fine lines. Next we have taken the red sandal powder 1 teaspoon. This red sandal powder, organic red sandal powder, helps in removal of dark spots and it helps us to even the skin tone. Next we are going to see the licorice powder 1 teaspoon. This licorice powder got an amazing property in reducing the hyperpigmentation. That is, when we are going outside in the sunlight, some people used to get the pigmentation or black patches in their skin. This licorice powder helps in reducing or controlling that particular enzyme secretion, and it makes the hyperpigmentation reduce gradually. It also helps in disappearing of the dark circles. Manjeshta powder 1 teaspoon. This Manjeshta powder helps in preventing the acne, pimples occurring in the skin. Also it is very good for the skin infections, because Manjeshta powder is an anti-inflammatory, or you can say like antibacterial properties it got. Now we are going to boil this vetiver root along with the same water in which we soaked for about 10 to 15 minutes. When we are going to office, when this 2 cups of water is reduced to 1/4, that time we can switch it off. You can see in the video how the vetiver and the boil were sinking and how it is boiling. You can get this superb aroma smell while you are stirring it. Now we are going to allow the boiled vetiver water to cool, and after it got cool, we are going to filter it and take the water alone. Next we have taken the cold pressed sesame oil 250 ml. So now in this video you can see the entire ingredient I had displayed, and this ingredients got an amazing effects on your skin. Now we are going to mix the above all ingredients in this cold pressed sesame oil, and we are going to make it as a paste, and also we make ensure that there is no lumps, so we have to add gradually by stirring it. So now we are going to heat this paste along with the oil in the stove for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can see in the video how well the mixture gets boiled, and gradually the boil makes the water and the oil getting separated. In the meanwhile, while the water and the oil getting separated gradually, we are going to take 4 cardamoms and going to crush. It is best we can use a crush instead of the ready-made powder. Next we are going to take the saffron pinch, that is 8 to 10 strands of saffron. This is a very important ingredient in making the Ayurvedic Kumkumadi face oil. The benefit is it removes the pigmentation and improves our skin complexion. We are going to make a paste with the saffron strands by dissolving it in a few drops of water. And we are going to pour this paste, saffron paste, and the cardamom what we crushed into the boiling mixture. You can see now how the water and oil is getting separated beautifully. After pouring everything, whatever the ingredients we said, we can wait for a few minutes, and when this water evaporates completely and you can see very well the oil is coming to the surface. If you are not able to identify the texture, you can very well see in the video the oil is very much appealingly coming up in the surface. So at that time you can switch off the stove and make it to cool off entirely. So the oil gets entirely cooled off, you can filter it. You can see how the oil color and the texture is, it is amazingly beautiful. You can use this oil as a facial massage oil or the night serum oil, but the important thing is you have to give a mild massage to your skin and leave it for about 15 to 10 minutes or throughout the entire night.
Hope everyone watched this video from beginning to end, and making of this oil is not a difficult one. And this oil can be used by both men and the women, and if anybody feels they are so much allergic or sensitive skin, they can use the allergic test by applying the oil behind the ears for at least like 1 or 2 weeks. If you find no allergic, you can very comfortably apply on your face and neck. So making of this oil is so simple, and do try it at home and apply it daily for minimum like 3 weeks to 1 month, and provide your feedback in the comment section so that it will be very encouraging for me to provide more videos about the beauty care related to skin and hair care, which we are personally trying at my home. If anybody interested in purchasing the ingredient via online, I have given the link in the description. You can even purchase via that link also. So hope you like watching this video, and the motivation tips of the today is, in all my video I used to encourage people to set a high end goal, but where we are failing, are we really achieving it? No, because we are comparing with the top business people, but we need to know that the top business people also have a rocket bottom. I am not saying like we should do the underrated work, but at least we will be knowing what the basic step of our high end goal. Maybe the people around you might criticize you, but you alone know what's the basic step of your high-end goal, because that's the step which will teach you everything, and which will save you from facing a huge failure. That's the basic step where you can learn everything. So don't mind that what others are thinking and how others are criticizing. Just take on and lead the step and reach the high-end goal. All the very best. And second important thing of the today is the work from home job opportunity, which I explained in full detail in my previous video. And further, if anyone is interested in doing a saree business without any investment, and especially with your own brand logo, and this is the right time to join in that WhatsApp group, which I have given in my description link, and that's the link of the direct manufacturer. You can get the very amazing collection of the silk mark certified silk sarees and also the fancy designer saree. It's an amazing collection. Do enter. This is not only for the saree resellers and people who are buying the sarees like minimum 2 orders per month. They also can join, and very well you can get benefited. Hope the information I provided will be useful, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon so that the useful videos I am posting, you can be able to receive the notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.